Right, so today we're going to be reviewing the Insignia 5-quart air fryer digital. Here is the pan. Sorry for the noise. And we're going to be doing chicken wings. So chicken. It's estimated to be complete in 20 minutes. We'll be back in 20 minutes. Alright, so it's now been 20 minutes. The air fryer goes auto off. And it starts beeping. She's having some problems opening. Slide back.
Normally you have to push the red button to pull it back.
And here's our chicken.
Now you have to turn it over.
Yes. So we definitely couldn't eat that in 20 minutes. Alright, so that chicken was definitely not done.
It was.
The first round, it was okay.
She ate it.
But no, she ate it. But we did an additional 7 minutes, and it came out pretty crispy. So the little one, we did take a piece off the last batch, and it was a bit light. But other than that, it was good. This is the end result. We're gonna